today's session, let's discuss regarding Monetary Policy Committee and also regarding repo rate. We are discussing this topic because on December 7th, 2022, I repeat, on December 7th, 2022, RBI, the Monetary Policy Committee, has increased the repo rate by 35 basis points. Earlier, it was 5.90. Now it has been enhanced to 6.25%. Very, very, very important one. And I told you many times, in many examinations, they will ask you what is the current repo rate, reverse repo rate. Like these questions are asked. And you need to update this one from time to time, because earlier it was 5.90 and now it is 6.25%. And in the forthcoming examination, your answer should be 6.25% only and not 5.90. Clear? And RBI will keep on changing these rates. And whenever RBI changes this, you need to update yourself. That is the reason why one is expected to follow current affairs very, very, very regularly. Plus, you are expected to read at least one newspaper every day. Clear? So now when it comes to the Monetary Policy Committee, it has been constituted by the central government, and MPC, Monetary Policy Committee, is headed by RBI Governor, and the current RBI Governor is Shri Shaktikanta Das. And kindly remember, whenever any person, for any institution at the higher level, if the head changes, then that may be a possible question in the forthcoming examination. Maybe it is RBI or any other prominent institution. If it is there in the news, you have to update it. Fine. Now, so when it comes to this repo rate is nothing but it is the interest charged by. It is the interest rate charged by RBI on commercial banks while lending the money. Very, very important one. So regarding repo rate, reverse repo rate, and various other rates we have discussed during our regular Indian economy classes, and kindly go through that class once. And now you may have a look at this. I have some information for you. Look at this. So when it comes to repo rate, this is the rate at which the central bank of a country, central bank means our central bank is Reserve Bank of India, lends money to the commercial banks in the event of any shortfall of funds. Meaning, commercial banks are taking money, they are taking loan from RBI. RBI is lending and commercial banks are taking this, accepting. Clear? And for that, so whatever the amount you are taking, that you have to pay interest back to RBI, and that interest rate that you are paying to the RBI is called a repo rate. Please remember, very, very important one, repo rate and reverse repo rate are reverse. Clear? Now, when it comes to repo rate, this is used by monetary authorities to control inflation. This is one of the mechanisms to control the inflation, one of the mechanisms. Clear? Now I would like to show you some more points. Kindly have a look at this. Here it is. The Monetary Policy Committee of RBI on December 7th, 2022 increased repo rate by 35 basis points. Right? Earlier it was, 5.90%. Now it has been enhanced to 6.25%. Fine. And so these are the important things. And again, I would like to tell you one thing. So whenever anything related to RBI or Election Commission or Supreme Court, ISRO, any institution you take, if there is a news from those institutions which are very regular, you have to update from time to time. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next session.